What's up YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy this content, consider subscribing. On this channel we talk about stocks, options, and I love to give tips for beginners. Alright everyone, let's get into this. Hey guys, welcome back to Robinhood Investing with Gio. Alright, so let's see how we did for the day. So I'll just get the elephant out of the room today. I'm sure a lot of us were having green days, or we're getting close to having green days, and then around 11 a.m. You guys might have noticed that the market just completely dumped, and the reason for that is, as you guys may know, or some of you that are getting off of work, you haven't been watching the news, the big Trump protest in Capitol Hill caused a massive sell-off in the market. It caused a lot of stocks to dip significantly, and overall it kind of hurt the market in the short term. One thing that you guys should understand, and I always preach this, that it's equally as important to know of companies' fundamentals, but it's equally to be aware of world events. World events are just equally as important when it comes to investing. And when this happened, it's caused the market to tank short term. I'm not sure how the futures are going to be looking. I published this video before futures come out, so yeah, for now, luckily, because we have a diverse portfolio, we kind of had a bit of risk management, and we finished in the green today. And I'll show you what benefited the most during this scrutiny. You guys, and I've been preaching this several times on my channel, of how important this play is in order to hedge against the United States. And I'll show you once I get down to that. So let's start off for the day. For today, we're up 0.36, and then the weekly chart is 4.39. The 1 month chart is 18.73. 66.20 for the 3 month chart. 1 year chart, we're up 116% plus. For Dropbox today, Dropbox finished on the red again today. We're up 20%. Still 2 years left on the call. For Neo, this one got really hurt, like during when the riot started, and then the sell-off started to hit. Neo, there was a big sell-off. I almost caught it when it was down below $50, but honestly I wanted to hold back. As everything was happening, I was kind of like waiting for Thursday. If there's still more red on Thursday, I might buy a little bit more Neo. But overall for Neo, we're still up 5.34. Space, I think it's trading higher after hours. Yeah, so Space, nice, a little green day. Currently we're up 26.83 on Space. MP Materials finished in the green today, trading 1.63 after hours. Currently we're up 8.35 on MP Materials. Palantir, I bought today. During the chaos that was occurring, I bought 5 more shares of Palantir. It puts me up to 30 shares, and we're down about 3.59%. BFT, for BFT, finished off in the red, got caught up in the chaos. Overall, we're still up about 9% on BFT. INSEEGO, another red day for INSEEGO. It's getting pretty close to a buying opportunity. I mentioned this before. If you guys want to check out my channel, I think INSEEGO has a massive run ahead of it in 2021. I published a couple of videos of INSEEGO, how I think it could grow significantly in the future. Since it's still about 15+% of my portfolio, I'm not trying to add any more shares for now, but I'm still very bullish on INSEEGO. Currently we're up 0.83% on INSEEGO. RG, very stable today. Overall, RG, you guys don't know, is one of the funds ran by Cathie Wood and Company. It's focused on genomic sides. In the fund, you got like companies such as Teladoc, and then you have CRISPR. You have other like quality of life companies that help enhance the life expectancy of humans. And I'm incredibly bullish. So much so that it's over 20% of my portfolio. This, I think it has massive growth from 2021 and beyond. So I'm gonna hold on to this long term. Golden Nugget Online Gaming Had a nice green day today. I bought this last week when it was under 20 bucks, so another long-term play. I'm liking Golden Nugget, so we're up about 7.3. Skills. Bought Skills yesterday. If you guys checked out the video, I mentioned that Skills is a mobile gaming, competitive mobile gaming, and part of the reason that I invested in it, I saw a few articles, I read some articles, watched a couple of YouTube videos, and then I read another article that said that Kathy Wood had invested in it. So I went all in, not all in, but I bought a few shares of Skills. And overall, the mobile gaming, competitive gaming seems like an interesting niche to get into. So I put a small sum, 20 shares, not too much. BNGO, I got in this one super late. But I had mentioned in yesterday's video how a buddy of mine, he gave me very bullish news about the company, of what he thinks about it, and I decided to invest about 75 shares in it. And it might go to zero. Hopefully it doesn't. I think it has future growth. Still room to run in the future, BNGO. So we're going to hang on to that for a while. And Forum Merger 3, I bought this one yesterday. I told you guys how Forum Merger 3 is a company that makes the trucks for Amazon delivery, and I believe as Amazon continues to expand as a company, they're going to need more delivery trucks, and I think Forum Merger 3 is going to be the one that's going to be supplying those trucks. So I'm still in this company. We bought about 25 shares. So far we're down 2.27% on that play. And Dogecoin, currently we're down 6.73%. I mentioned that Dogecoin, kind of the reason I like trading crypto is because just overall that it trades 24 hours a day, and I just kind of like, it's very soothing to me watching the charts go up and down, and it's just something cool to see on a day-to-day basis. Also, Sunday and Saturday, it's cool to see your charts still moving on those days. But I mentioned that I bought $100 worth because I had previously had a penny stock, but I ended up selling that penny stock because it was trading pretty flat. But Doge is kind of wild. This thing could honestly, it can go to zero, or you could have $1,000 by the end of the week. Who knows? If this thing goes up to 3 or 4 cents, you could have a massive return. So yeah, it's a bit of a like lottery scratching ticket more than anything, but yeah, I'm gonna hold on to Doge for a while. And this is it. This is the reason my portfolio is in the green. Let me double check over here, guys. You could check. We're up 0.36%. And one of the things, and I have made at least 4 or 5 videos about Bitcoin. I'm not a scammer in the comment section. I know you guys watch a lot of big YouTubers. Not one single big YouTuber was talking about Bitcoin. Not one. Usually it's just those like big time Bitcoin people that are always pumping Bitcoin. But I had been mentioning Bitcoin to so many people for like a month now. This is when it was still trading like around $18,000. I was telling people, I had done my research. I thought this was a great hedge against the US dollar. When there's scrutiny in the United States, this thing's going to run up. When there's a lot of stimulus being pumped into the economy, this thing's going to run up. Everyone looked at me like I was crazy. I don't know what I'm talking about. And sure enough, today, as I mentioned during the protest, while everything else was selling off, this thing ran up. Bitcoin went up another 5+%. In the middle of the chaos, Bitcoin was like, there was a little trade-off, and then all of a sudden, like, boom, it pumped back up. Bitcoin is a great hedge against the US dollar, I had mentioned previously, and I think that Bitcoin is kind of like the thing that a lot of younger people are investing in it, millennials and whatnot, because this is the new gold for them. Now, I'm not telling you guys to invest in Bitcoin. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I was telling people over and over again, this is going to be a big thing. And in 1 month, this thing has gone up. The month since I was recommending it to people, and it's gone up crazy amount. It's about almost 100%. And now I see every single big YouTuber talking about this. But it is what it is. You guys can invest in it if you want, but just know there's going to be a lot of stimulus coming up in 2021. As that stimulus comes through, this thing's going to shoot up. This is just my educated guess. As more stimulus is printed by the Fed and J. Powell, Bitcoin's going to keep running up. So again, it's a hedge. It's a play that I plan to hold on to long term. It's about 13% of my portfolio. And yeah, that is a portfolio review for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this portfolio review. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel, liking, commenting. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, take care, everyone. See ya.